Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपकाय नमोस्तुते दीपो ज्योति परब्रह्म दीपो ज्योतिर्जनार्दन दीपो हरति पापानि दीपज्योति
and they will make sure the school name will be known to everyone who is in Goa and outside Goa also. And I can see the staff, they are putting so much effort to bring the change for the students so that they can enjoy the 21st century, the new technologies given to them. And I feel the change what is available here and the motivation speeches and notations what they have kept will definitely help the students to come out of their fear and do the best. You never know when somebody can read something which is kept over there on the wall, which can motivate and ask them to do something which cannot be done. So I can see which is available in this staff here in the school. They have a zeal to change it. That change will definitely be applicable and will be seen in the society. I am very happy to see this, which was not there during our time, but I can see in this time this change is very good, very happy to see this. Thank you for this.
And हमारा बेसिक पढ़ना है फ्रीडम टू एजुकेशन, जहाँ पे हम लोग गवर्नमेंट के स्कूल जहाँ पे स्कूल्स नहीं हैं, स्कूल्स कंस्ट्रक्शन करने का एक फोकस टारगेट रखते हैं. एंड उसी प्रोसेस में 8 साल 9 साल पहले राउंड टेबल was lucky enough to be associated with PNG and they always supported us to construct classrooms. सिर्फ गोवा में नहीं, पूरे इंडिया में अभी तक राउंड टेबल इंडिया ने 7,550 क्लासरूम्स कंस्ट्रक्ट किए लास्ट 20 साल में. एंड टोटल 317 करोड़ का फंड रेज करके वो क्लासरूम के लिए इम्प्लीमेंट किया है. एंड इसके लिए वन ऑफ द मेजर डोनर इज PNG. So thank you so much Gaurav sir for all your support and entire PNG team. I would like to congratulate the Valpoi Education Society, Madgaon Youth Roundtable 228 and Belgaum Central Roundtable 237 for wonderfully executing this project and getting the work done on time, because usually 1 साल से 1.5 साल लगता है ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स खत्म होने में. But we are lucky enough, we got a great support from the school also. So we were able to complete this project in 7 to 8 months time, which is like a record for roundtable also in Goa.
Kind of work that has been done within this, I think it's been completed in about 5 months time, and the quality of construction and the school that has come out is extremely good. Something for us as an organization also to learn from. We in our organization we always have a saying, a school for underprivileged should never look like an underprivileged school. So the school over here that has been made today, I think it is extremely fantastic. It shows the pain that the school management has taken in making this school. Number one, PNG, I would like to say a big thank you to PNG. Also, I would like to say that in all my interactions with PNG corporate, they have been extremely concerned and they have always pushed downhill India to do infrastructure intervention, particularly in Goa. So that is why we have this specific, we made the effort, and I think it's a long time that we've been able to do three schools simultaneously and all of it. So as PNG is 6-year-old, out of which 32 years, the pass percentage around more than 80%, and 100% is for the 4 years. So no school is complete without the effort of the teachers over here. Like to appreciate the effort of all the teachers in this school. My request to all the students here, it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of resources, finances to make a school. This school is not just for you, it is also for all the students which will come in this school and study for all subsequent years. Please help us maintain it, as today we will leave this in your hands. So it is up to you, your brother, your sister, your friends will come and study here. So please help us maintain this school as it is. And also I am very happy to see that this school is not just for imparting education. They just show that they make sports facilities as well. So
Classroom project we have done anywhere in India and in Goa also. So you guys are really the pioneers of this, and I'm sure you will take the full advantage of this. I heard a lot of big kind words from everyone speaking on what RTI and PNG partnership has done. But I think a huge credit goes to school management team and the teachers, students and all the staff members to make it a reality, because we just helped through teams, but the execution was led by you. And as my friend Rajit mentioned, 5 months, it's a huge inspiration for us also, that something so beautiful can come up in such a short time. So thank you so much everyone for your effort, and really appreciate the whole hard work which you guys have put to make this such a nice place. Now hearing ma'am's word on what the school has delivered in past, and I see personally also, I work with the alums from this school, and I know how inspirational leaders they are. So I'm sure you students, the current students, will take a lot of inspiration from your teachers, your past alums, and will go to much higher heights than what they have been able to achieve till now, right? So I wish you all very best, and I hope we continue to partner in future and build more such infrastructure so that we can help everyone.